Introducing the Nazca, a high-end bean-to-cup fresh milk automatic coffee machine with dual bean hoppers and a chocolate canister for specialty drinks such as the mochaccino and luxury hot chocolates. An automated cleaning cycle is used to purge the system every 20 minutes, ensuring consistent quality drinks. Programming and cleaning controls are accessed at the side of the machine. With the integrated smart boiler technology, steam and hot water capacities are significantly increased. The 8 selection menu can be programmed for dual bean options or variable cup sizes. Creating top quality fresh milk drinks couldn't be simpler. Simply place your cup and select the drink from your menu. We recommend the Nazca for high-class establishments producing approximately 100 drinks per day.